Everyone wants success. Everyone wants to become something big in life. That's why millions of people watch motivational videos every single day. But have you ever noticed something strange? Most people feel inspired for a few minutes, maybe for a day, and then everything goes back to the same old routine. So what's missing? Why do some people change their lives, while others stay stuck in the same place for years? Today's story reveals a powerful truth that many people ignore, a truth that separates dreamers from achievers. If you truly understand the message hidden in this story, it might completely change the way you live your life. So watch carefully till the end. In a quiet American town lived a young boy named Lucas. Lucas had big dreams. He wanted to build a successful life and make his family proud. Every evening, he watched motivational videos online. He read books about successful entrepreneurs and listened to inspiring speeches. After watching those videos, Lucas would feel incredibly motivated. He would say to himself, "From tomorrow, everything will change. I will wake up early. I will study 5 hours every day. This time, I will not fail." For a moment, he truly believed it. But after 2 or 3 days, the excitement disappeared. Lucas would start waking up late again. He would waste time on his phone and tell himself, "I'll start properly from Monday." Weeks passed like this. The cycle repeated again and again. Slowly, Lucas started feeling frustrated. One afternoon, he met his old friend Daniel at a coffee shop. Daniel looked different. He seemed calm, focused, and confident. Lucas noticed that Daniel had changed a lot. He woke up early every day, followed a strict routine, worked hard, and was steadily improving his life. Curious, Lucas asked him, "Daniel, how do you stay motivated all the time? I try many times, but I can't stay consistent." Daniel smiled and said something surprising. "I don't depend on motivation." Lucas frowned. "What do you mean?" Daniel replied, "I depend on discipline." Lucas looked confused. "Motivation isn't the secret?" Daniel shook his head. "Come with me tomorrow morning. I'll show you something." The next morning before sunrise, Daniel took Lucas to a quiet lake outside the town. An old fisherman named Mr. Howard sat by the water. His face showed the marks of many years of hard work. Daniel greeted him and said, "Mr. Howard, would you mind sharing the lesson you once told me?" The fisherman looked at Lucas and smiled. "Young man, do you see this lake?" Lucas nodded. Mr. Howard continued, "I come here every morning at the same time, winter or summer, rain or sunshine. Some days I catch many fish, some days I catch very little, and sometimes nothing at all." Lucas asked, "Then why do you keep coming?" Mr. Howard chuckled. "Because it's my responsibility. If I only came here when I felt motivated, my family would starve." He paused and said slowly, "Motivation is temporary, but discipline feeds the family." Lucas listened silently. The fisherman then pointed toward a tall tree near the shore. "Do you know the story of the bamboo tree?" Lucas shook his head. Mr. Howard began explaining. "A farmer plants a bamboo seed and waters it every day. 1 year passes, nothing happens. 2 years, still nothing. 3 years, people start laughing at him. 4 years, still no growth. But the farmer keeps watering the plant every single day." Lucas leaned forward, curious. "What happens next?" Mr. Howard smiled. "In the 5th year, the bamboo suddenly shoots up and grows nearly 90 feet in just a few weeks." Lucas's eyes widened. "How is that possible?" The fisherman answered, "Because during those years when nothing was visible, the bamboo was growing deep roots underground. If the farmer had quit early, the bamboo would never have grown so tall." He looked straight into Lucas's eyes. "Success works the same way. Discipline builds roots before results appear. Those words stayed in Lucas's mind. For the first time, he realized something important. All his life he had been chasing motivation, but what he really needed was discipline. From that day forward, Lucas changed his approach. Instead of waiting to feel inspired, he created a daily routine. Some mornings he felt tired. Still, he woke up early. Some days he felt lazy. Still, he studied. Some evenings he wanted to quit. Still, he kept going. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Months turned into years. Slowly but surely, Lucas transformed his life. People in town began to respect him for his hard work and consistency. One day, someone asked him, "Lucas, what's the secret behind your success?" Lucas smiled and replied, "Motivation fades, discipline stays." If you do small things consistently every day, big results will follow. Success is not one giant action. It's thousands of small actions repeated every single day. So remember this. Don't wait to feel motivated. Start building discipline today. Because the life you dream about is not created in one day. It is built one disciplined day at a time. If this story inspired you, make sure to like the video. And tell me in the comments, what did you learn from this story? I'll see you in the next story.